Hello, Shopify business owners. In this video, we dive into 10 effective customer retention strategies to grow your business. Ready to keep your customers coming back? Let's get into it. Firstly, encourage your customers to create accounts. This offers a personalized shopping experience and helps you gather data for targeted marketing. Personal accounts make repeat purchases easier and enhance their shopping experience. Next, enhance your customer support. Quick, helpful responses and self-service options like FAQs can significantly boost customer satisfaction and loyalty. This approach ensures that your customers feel heard and valued, which is key to retaining them. Use WhatsApp for business messaging. It helps with real-time interactions, order updates, and answering customer queries. This level of accessibility and convenience can significantly improve customer satisfaction and retention. If you'd like to explore, try Wati and sign up for a 7-day free trial or book a demo call with our experts to understand how we can help your business. Now, number 4. Starting a loyalty program shows customers you value them. A points-based system for purchases or milestones can encourage repeat business. It's about making customers feel special and appreciated for their loyalty. Next up is email marketing. Send engaging, personalized emails with product recommendations and informative content to keep your brand top of mind. Use emails to provide value, like sharing tips related to products they've purchased or offering exclusive previews. This informs and engages your customers on a more personal level. Number 6. To re-engage customers who haven't shopped, offer them something special. Discounts or store credits can entice them to revisit and shop again, revitalizing their interest in your brand. Number 7 is customer feedback. Feedback is invaluable. It helps you understand customer needs and preferences. Regularly seek out their opinions through surveys and reviews to improve your offerings. Taking action on this feedback and communicating changes to customers shows you value their input, fostering a stronger bond and loyalty to your brand. Number 8. Optimize the return process. A smooth returns process is vital. Ensure your policy is clear and straightforward. This builds trust and leaves a positive impression, even in potentially negative situations. Number 9. Offer a subscription service. Subscription services add convenience for your customers and guarantee steady revenue. Offer these for regularly needed products to simplify their shopping experience. This convenience fosters customer loyalty and ensures a consistent interaction with your brand, strengthening the customer relationship over time. Lastly, turn unhappy customer complaints into resolutions. Addressing complaints effectively can turn an unhappy customer into a loyal one. Respond with empathy and exceed their expectations in resolving issues. There you have it. The 10 customer retention strategies for Shopify business owners. Implementing these strategies can foster strong customer relationships and grow your Shopify business. Happy customers don't just drive repeat purchases, they become brand ambassadors spreading the word about your store. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your Shopify business thrive. Thanks for watching and have a great day.